Kardom Prangsi Nangli Browser Input Browser Input Appealote Nangli Directorate of Higher Education .assam.gov.in website along dam ignore labang so appealote Directorate of Higher Education homepage nang ciklang ipo lahelo labang so adim nangli athak dan aberan nang ikirnon lang the api lokulute thot dam thuignon ladak nang di theklong po online admission wadi malong beradam ignon beradet aphilote DHE online admission.mtron.in website chingpu ikpo the Hello Directorate of Higher Education online registration for unique ID generation wadim bang ipo abang swadim lang plira lang et aphilo plote go for registration wadim ber ignore the Hello registration form lo labang swadim nangli choklim ahok pe yani papeng don ignon athema inut a student pen ID ECC selam chot nasi pima kehang lake choklim pen le nangli bidon ignon tang thaya philote I certify that the above information I have provided is true and complete to the best of my knowledge wadem long ber ignon then appealate submit do not and so appealate only registration successful when it is long for la penote nang download acknowledgement pada ber ignore la hello acknowledgement lo labang swadim along nangli kipapleng tang atengsi nang ciklang ipo mate wang ipo labang swa form nangli print out idiot lahan hello unique ID generation a procedure ke Kardom